is it?
Dun dun dun! Right when Mr. Rich is going like this, I'm like walking on the way to the fucking thing.
Where are we going?
No! Corby P. Specifically mine. On basis. Mischievous.
Why is she walking so fast?
She likes it fast! Cleanse, wash me, spray me with the huppies, God!
Paige's first titty touch.
Does she feel violated?
I like it.
Kid.
I'm hiding my dong.
Oh, what challenges are you planning on doing?
Banana spray talent, tugging talent.
You're gonna tug some guy's penis as hard as you can?
Tug. Just zoomed on my nose. Oh, water! The chugging challenge, where me and you, come on. And let me finish. Fucking bread challenge, cracker challenge, banana spray challenge. What else is it? Milk challenge? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm lactose. Right away, drink shit. Literally while walking. Why is your pants turning brown? I've diarrhea. Chubby bunny.
And the green gumball challenge.
The fuck is that?
Chubby
I
bunny,
can
but
do
gumballs.
that. You know, my mouth is big. Music is mad. Oh, when did the wood get there? What? I got a text. Hit me with your best shot. You dude.
You dude! You're such a dude, man!
You're such a dude.
It's not a fence. I love you, Paige.
Hey!
Oh my god, that's the first time I've heard her scream like that.
Really?
You've been violent.
Really?
Dude, you do not know me. I'm pointing up there. Up there? Oh, yeah. What? Ah! Peter violated me already. Memories.
Paige's first titty touch.
Lovely memories.
It's a
Zombie! Wade! God, he's so stupid.
Whoa.
Shut up. Yes. Okay. That's better.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I got something for you.
Balls. Zombie!
I'm spreading awareness.
So bad. He has fucking sausage nipples. Fine.
Cancer.
What?
It's all
Yeah. Hey.
Zombie, we need fake nipples.